Hello guys, welcome to Material Secret. I'm Savory. Today's topic is about the genuine leather with Lichi grain. Okay, let's cut to the chase. Masters make genuine leather present Lichi grain through a brilliant technique. It has a good touch and comfortable texture. Press down with your hand, there will be wrinkles like that and bounce back easily. Lichi grain leather is utilized as sofa, chair mostly. Its special grain suits modern, classic, and light American style well. Let's see this set of a period sofa. Uses full Lichi leather. Face-to-face layout makes a hot vibe. Thanks guys for watching all. Let's talk about other materials next time. If you are interested in our content, please subscribe below and click on the small bell. Okay, that's for all today. Bye!